Hey there, Timber Creek fans. Roberto Lee here at Timber Creek, and today we are previewing this inventory home. This is the Trevi floor plan. This home is done, ready to go. There's this one here, also the one right next door. Both of them are Trevis. Let's walk inside and take a look. The Trevi is 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, just over 2,000 square foot. You get a 2-car garage. It's part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find here with Lennar. So as we come inside directly to the left, this is where you're going to have your guest bedrooms. There's guest bedroom 1 right here. Then right between the guest bedrooms, you have the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower there. And then you have guest bedroom number 2 here. Notice they have the plank tile flooring throughout this entire home, which is a nice feature. Then as we come down the main entryway, to the right, you have your laundry space here. So you will get a full-size washer and dryer. That's the entry to your 2-car garage, some extra storage above. And then this is your 3rd guest bedroom here. Nice part is this one gets its own bathroom. So singular sink, the commode, the combination tub and shower. And that leads us out into the main area of the Trevi floor plan here, which opens up really nicely. You've got the alcove type of kitchen here with the island overlooking your dining and living room space. Full appliance package, quartz countertops. Really great home here. Now this open space here, right over here, this side would be your dining space. That's where you're gonna have your TV right over there. So nice dining and living room setup here. Last but not least, on the inside, we have the master bedroom here. So this is your master bedroom, plenty big enough for a king-size bed here. And then your master bath with your dual sinks. You've got the walk-in shower here, your private enclosed water closet. Now, last but not least, we have the exterior living space. So these 2 homes here that are available, you've got a nice little outdoor under truss space. This lot here, there is room enough for a pool. It does face back to the main road back there. So you are gonna get a little traffic noise. You'll see some cars going by there in the video. For that, you're gonna get an awesome deal. Lennar is going to discount this home to a price that you cannot refuse. So if you're interested in this home or the next one over, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'll be happy to help you.